We found it. We found the software that has cracked the code for AI. So anything that has content, context, any writing at all, I have you covered. Now, you're probably like me if you're watching this video and you absolutely hate writing. Most of my YouTube descriptions are written by AI. Most of pretty much everything I do at this point is written by AI, and I want to share with you guys the secret that will make your life way easier. Hey, what is up, guys? It is Harrison Barron from harrisonbarron.com, and we are going to be covering AI today. So the tool that we are going to be talking about is a program called Peppertype.ai. Now, I've used probably at this point about 6 or 7 different AI tools, and this one seems to stand out above the rest. Now, if you're new here, my name is Harrison Barron. I have a digital marketing agency. I basically share with you guys everything that I wish somebody shared with me when I first started my business. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this video with you is because I am actually making this video because this seems to be the best one. However, you're probably going to want to subscribe because I am doing a review very soon and a side-by-side comparison of conversion.ai, which has Jarvis, and Peppertype.ai, which has easily broken the code for what I think is the best tool on the market. Now, Peppertype.ai uses GPT-3, so that is generative pre-trained transformer. Basically, it just means that a company out in San Francisco called OpenAI built this program that will start using deep learning to understand the written language, and then these programs basically just make it better. That's really it. There's no secret sauce, there's no alien technology, there's nothing like that. We are literally going to be going through this tool. Now, I was not going to make this video. I was like, you know what? It's just another tool. Let me just try it out. I've now tried out Copysmith, Copybot. I've tried Writer. Now it's Peppertype.ai. I'm going to be trying conversion.ai, and I've tried several other ones. But this one has easily taken the cake as far as impressiveness. And I really wasn't going to make this video, but I was making a post for a client the other day, and I just was like, you know what? I need a great, juicy social media post. And I went in here and I was like, you know what, let me just see what it spits out. I'm probably going to have to just revert back to me writing it or one of the other tools that I've used in the past, and I'll just pull bits and pieces from it. Oh my God. Blown away by the results that I've gotten from this tool. So I'm not going to waste any more time here. We are going to dive right into this. And I want to share with you guys some probably real world examples. I say probably because this is literally what I'm going to be using right after this video to make some social media posts. So if we come over here to our conversion.ai. First of all, Peppertype, I love you guys. Great product. Phenomenal. The name's horrible. I'm sorry. I don't want to say rebrand, but just a better name would be nice. But this is it. So you go in here, Peppertype.ai. I will leave a link down below. You can buy this one time forever. It was on AppSumo. Save the money. Go buy it there. You'll get $10 off. Use my link down below. If you want, you could subscribe to this. I think it's like $39 to $50 a month, somewhere in there. It's definitely not as expensive as conversion.ai, which I think is way overhyped. I just watched a video on it. Mildly impressed at best, but I'm excited to do the side-by-side comparison. But this video isn't about conversion.ai. This is about Peppertype.ai, also the worst name in the world. But the amount of options that this program gives you is mind-blowing. It's just astounding, right? It's literally incredible. Now, I've used, if you've watched my videos in the past, Copysmith.ai, which probably had the best selections to choose from, and this one just takes the cake here. I mean, it feels like it goes on forever, and I'm just going to shrink my screen here so you guys could see it, but you have cold emails, you have website headline and copy, brand product descriptions. Now, if you do go to the AppSumo route, they have long and short form copy. You get up to 70,000 characters of long form copy, which includes about 3/4 of these options. So just keep that in mind. But honestly, 70,000 characters is an insane amount every single month. But in here, you're going to be able to go through, and I just want to come up with some blog ideas, right? I'm kind of struggling with a blog idea lately, and I'm just going to go into blog ideas, and we're going to do this side by side in real time because I think this is so incredibly important. So we're going to do product and brand. I'm just going to do my own stuff for harrisonbarron.com. So I'm just going to do Harrison Barron. I should probably uppercase my name name here just because it's probably going to pull those variables. And then we are going to just talk about, I don't know, what do we want the Zoom as a, what do I want it to be? Now, at this point, you probably would have done some kind of research on this. So let's just talk about a program that I've been using a lot lately, which is called Kajabi. I don't know, navigation. Right? Probably going to write an article on that because it's honestly, a lot of people struggle with it. Now, it'll tell you right here, add a longer description for better results. That is 1,000% true. It realistically wants you to put about 100 characters in there, which I don't necessarily love, but what I do see is the fact that when you put more characters in there, it gives you such better results. So in here, why you should invest in Kajabi Navigation, a blog idea about the why and how Kajabi Navigation can help your dashboard, right? How to make Kajabi work for you with no experience, a tutorial blog on how you can make Kajabi work from the get-go. I mean, it's phenomenal. Like, I mean, that is exactly what I'm looking for, right? A newbie guide to Kajabi. Now, it doesn't necessarily cover Kajabi navigation, but that's okay, right? A newbie guide to Kajabi, a blog about how to navigate around Kajabi and how to use it for beginners. Money. I mean, like, it doesn't get any better than that because I just left it so broad, right? I just gave it Kajabi navigation. So that could be navigating around the site. That could be how to set up the nav bar. That could be so many different variables. And honestly, I probably wasn't even thinking about, and I shouldn't even say I probably wasn't. I was not even thinking about a tutorial about how to get around Kajabi. But this just gave me that idea. So we have a newbie guide to Kajabi, a blog about how to navigate around Kajabi, how to use it for beginners. I mean, like, that's just so good, right? So let's just come up with another one, right? Facebook ad, right? Because we run a lot of Facebook ads for people in my agency. So let's just say, I'm not going to mention any of my companies. Let's just say promotional products here. Probably help if I could spell promotional products, and then we'll do description here. Get the best custom promotional products to keep your brand in mind when it comes to buying decisions, right? It's really not the best description of what I want. Let's see what it's going to kick back. I mean, you and I are in this together. This is a team effort here with what we're going through. And mildly impressed, right? I mean, we could definitely have gotten some better results. But here's the thing. I may have set my expectations in the wrong spot here, right? It's your time to shine. Be the star of your next marketing campaign with custom promotional products, apparel, and more. Okay. That's great, right? And it's actually recommending, like, hey, you're probably going to get 90 characters out of this. So what I want to do is I'm just going to grab this information in here, and I'm actually going to go to a different area here. And let's just do let's find something interesting in here that we can make. Compelling bullet points. All right, that's good. And then we'll do promotional products again, and we'll just see what it kicks back. I mean, this is the coolest part. And you also have advanced options, so you have your tone of voice and target audience. Now, advanced options are not available on every single area. Promotional products are a smart and effective way to promote your business and build awareness. We don't just create a logo, leave it to you, right? And like the cool part is this just generated 9 bullets, and the best part is create more compelling bullets, right? So I could literally just run this as many times as I need till I've satisfied my need for the requirements of the project I'm working on. So if it's a Facebook ad, if it's a landing page, you could get a little creative. And I think a lot of people are so like confined to like what their recommendations are. And I think that that's probably the worst way to go about it, because if I was writing a landing page for, let's just say, promotional products, I could just go in here and grab 10 bullets that I might need. And I could literally just, I could just keep hitting it over and over again. Keep giving me good information. And it tells you, these 3 bullets are 324 characters worth. And I could just keep hitting it over and over and over again, right? And I'll go through here and pull maybe the 3 to 5 or 10 or 20 bullets that I think are going to solve the problem that I have, right? Which is probably getting bullets for potentially a landing page. So now that we've covered that, right? Let's do, is there a landing page option here in here? Website, landing page, website subheadings. All right. Amazon, AIDI copywriting. Alrighty, so AIDI copywriting is attention, interest, desire, and action. I mean, that's pretty sweet as far as like what it's going to tell you and what it's going to give you. So we're just going to go promotional products again. Tell us about your product. We're going to just go, it already pulled it in. And then we're going to go with target audience. So in this case, let's just use I don't know, summer camps. Summer camps. I'm not going to run a promotion. Occasion is middle of summer, right? That's maybe a good occasion. And then it's going to create a copywriting section. And we're just going to give it 15 to 30 seconds maybe. And there it is. Boom. So attention. Great for summer camps. Interest. Custom promotional products. Get your name out to potential customers. Desire. Get your promotional products that will help you stand out from your competition in a positive way. See what custom promotional products will work for you. That's phenomenal, right? It's not going to give me this full blown out paragraph that I might be looking for, right? Because if I'm looking for that, I just have to go to the right area. It's not fair for me to go to that area and expect to get that back, right? So we have blog ideas, we have a blog intro, maybe it's a blog intro. And we'll do promotional products in here, and then we're just going to create a blog intro, and it's going to kick back the information that I want. And if you've watched my channel, this is the most excited I've gotten about a software here. Promotional products need to be made with a lot of care. You need to get a product that is growing to be useful to your customer and one that will remember your business by. So it's a little cut off. This blog will look at the different things that you need to look out for when picking out promotional products. You also need to see a few reasons. Honestly, not bad. Small and startup businesses, right? Just go through and see what's going to work for you. But the amount of characters you're getting out of this platform, the amount of great copy, and I'm not just talking about sales copy. It's just copy. It's just the writing on whatever you're using. So if it's a website, if it's a landing page, if it's a social media post, if it's maybe a little short response, if it's a LinkedIn response or a LinkedIn post, the possibilities are really endless. And quite honestly, I'm lazy as could be. Why wouldn't I want to make my life easier? This is so worth the money. Even if you don't get it for the lifetime deal, it's so worth the money. This is absolutely, hands down, the best product out there. But like I said, hit subscribe because we're going to be covering conversion.ai, and they have Jarvis, that huge thing. If you've even been a little bit into marketing, you've probably seen their ads. They have a crazy amount of VC money because they are getting all of the attention. They have a boss mode. They have, you literally just tell it to write for you and it'll just go do it. Write me a love letter and it'll go do it. So pretty cool. Excited to go put these side by side. Honestly, out of all the products, I loved Copysmith. Writer was okay, but this one is the best. Hands down, no questions asked, the best one on the market. So if you need that, if you're lazy like me, you don't want to write out emails, go do this, right? It's just going to make your life easier. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you make your life easier because I love you guys, because you're my family. Shout out to Fast 9. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.